Good morning, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to powder coat my turbo's compressor housing. So usually when I pop my Miata's hood, people want to look at it but they walk away. So I think I need a little bit of pizzazz. So I've ordered like lots of colors from Prismatic, but I've been too busy and haven't touched it yet. So today I'm gonna put some drip on my Miata. So here's my dirty ass basic compressor housing. And the color I'm going for is Illusion Purple. But before, let's talk about this. When I bought the turbo, I tried to polish it without no experience, and it came out like this. Well, it's not the best. I think it looks okay. Oh, and before we powder coat it, I am gonna remove this vacuum port. Alright, so the internet says I need a high temperature tape, but I couldn't find it, so I got the cheap one at Walmart. I think it will work. I hope it will work. I taped everything. Although I tried to polish it, it still has some of the factory coating on it. So I am gonna put some aircraft remover and just let it marinate for like 20 minutes while I go watch Jimmy Oak's new video. I'm kidding. Oops. Alright, it's ready. I added alligator clip right here and cover it with some more tape, and I'm gonna powder coat with my first coat. Super Chrome 2. And I am going to use this toaster oven to bake. I think I missed a lot of spots, but that's my first time. I think I did the best that I could do, so hopefully it'll turn out great. I hope I didn't overspray it, but I feel like I did. We're about to find out. So this is the first coat. It came out pretty good, and I can tell like little spots that I missed, but overall it's really pretty. I am gonna go ahead and put the color on top of it. And again, the color is Illusion Purple. Just finished powder coating, and I think it came out pretty good, but I don't know if you can see, but this right here, the gun started to like clumping up inside, and whenever I tilt it, a lot of powder came out in the spots. I'm afraid it's gonna get some bubbles this area because it's pretty much over powdered, but are you guys silly? I'm still gonna send it.
A few moments later.
Alright, we have a problem. This is why you should always read the instruction before you do something stupid like this. So I saw this beautiful color, purple color, and I just assumed a lot of bright colors usually need base coat. So I put silver, like chrome, under it. Now it's not purple, or it's not even shiny anymore. It got like nice purple tint to it, but that's not what I wanted. In usual Iori fashion, I'm gonna compound problem with more problem. We're just gonna throw some brassy gold in it. Hopefully it just covers all the flaws and make it pretty, but probably not. But we're gonna see. Okay, look at this, guys. This looks absolutely amazing. I don't know what happened to the brass gold, but it looks, I think purple came through the gold, I think. I don't know. I don't know what happened, but I totally meant to do that. I totally meant. It came out really good and I'm very happy about it, and it looks pretty. And I can't wait to put it on my turbo.
The next day.
This came out really, really nice. I'm gonna install this so you can see what it looks like. All right, bye. You guys see this? It's sick. That's how it turns out. I love it. It's so pretty. Okay, it's like a week later. I'm filming an outro. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. We are really close to 300 subscribers. I appreciate all 292 of you. It means so much to me. Anyway, the turbo is back on the car. Everything is perfect. Right now, I'm saving F4 on the big oven. If you want to support that, hit me up on Instagram for discount powder. That way, I'm learning and you're getting something for really cheap. Anyway, don't let anyone tell you you cannot build your dream. Okay, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Mata ne!
I try to take my life slowly, holes and mark the time.